Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Hannah Nabings. I post videos every other Friday. Today we are doing a Nintendo Switch unboxing, but right now we are starting off with me packing up my old Nintendo Switch to give to my mom. The Nintendo Switch I'm boxing up now, I literally had for like 2 days, and then I boxed it up, and for those 2 days, I only played on it a little bit because my mom was playing on it a lot. Basically, why we have two Switches and why I had one from 2 days is because my parents bought me the yellow one off Amazon, but Wednesday I want to say 15th, we went to Walmart just for essentials, and they had a yellow one. We go back to Walmart, they don't have the yellow one. I get a gray one, and then my mom's like, I didn't really want one, and my dad's like, why don't we just keep the yellow one? But at this time we already canceled it, so it was like a big hassle and a half. But now we have two Nintendo Switches. I'm basically boxing up this one because I like the feeling of unboxing things, so I just wanted to be a little extra and box it back up for my mom. I factory reset it, I took my SD card out, put it back in its package, but you will see in about a minute that when I box it back up, I totally do not put my mom's game back in the device, because if you like factory reset with a game in it will delete all your game data, so I took it out before I did it, but I didn't put it back in. So in the next clip you will see me finish packing up the Nintendo Switch and then putting my mom's game back in the game case, but my mom didn't want the game case, so literally as soon as I gave her it and she got it open, she gave me the game case back, which I don't mind. I still have it in here to this minute as I'm filming this on, well, voiceovering on Thursday the 23rd. Like I said, I just went a little extra, boxed it back up, did something a little cute, cause I just wanted to do that, you know? Like I said, kinda mad that I didn't put the thing in, the game in, and then I noticed after I put the whole thing in the box that I didn't put it in, so I just put it in the game case. Wow. Now you see we are here. It's a new dawn, a new day. I love that this is upside down because I filmed it upside down, so I showed it to you the right way, and then I had to fix it. Fantastic. It's a Timmy and Tommy sticker from Animal Crossing New Horizons. My mom thought it was a case. It was a sticker. She was disappointed. I'm kind of vibing. And then the other thing is, of course, the Nintendo Switch that was canceled and then uncanceled multiple times. I'm so excited. I loved them. I loved unboxing both Nintendo Switches. Even though it is the same experience overall, it was just so great to be able to experience it, because I take everything that I get, you know, so humbly, I guess. Humbly? No. I'm so grateful for what I do get, and I never want to come off as I am bragging about it, because I'm not. I'm very thankful that my mom and dad got me a Nintendo Switch. I wanted one for a while, didn't think I was gonna get one, and then I actually got one, so it was a big exciting moment for me. And I kind of, okay, so this is a Nintendo Switch Animal Crossing unboxing, meaning clearly I'm gonna get Animal Crossing, but my birthday is on the 1st of next month, so I think I'm going to drop an Animal Crossing video, and I'm so excited. It's mainly like the main setup of the island, so like an introductory. This video is also going to go in the Animal Crossing video playlist, because It's Animal Crossing. I'm trying to link out the setup from it. Oh, I didn't even tell you. Okay, so I got my case and like the skinny wipes from this brand named Pixis. I don't know. Basically, I bought the case from, I think, 10, and it came with 2 cleaning cloths, so I gave the black one to my mom and kept the, like, gray one because it kind of matches the buttons on the Nintendo Switch. Really weird. It comes with, I think, 10, 8? I don't know how to count. 8 game slots. And here we go, boys. We are setting up the big boy. I have not named my Nintendo Switch. I usually kind of get attached to things and then have to name things. But my Nintendo Switch has not been named, so kind of proud of myself for not being compulsive in naming a Nintendo Switch, because that's absolutely kind of crazy. I love that being out of focus and then being still out of focus now, so wow, do I ever go back into focus? Also, I see my little, oh, guys, I shaved my head because my hand was falling out. I'm bald now. Not bald, I have like a buzz cut. I'm buzzed now. I don't know, my Animal Crossing character is also buzz cut. This is not in focus. Why is this not? Did I not know it wasn't in focus? I bet I knew it wasn't in focus, and that kind of makes me mad. It doesn't even look like I attempted to focus it, and I love that Timmy and Tommy down at the bottom like, this ain't focused, homie, and I'm like, this is gonna be such a good YouTube video. I'm so mad. Why is it not focused? Wow, YouTubing of the yin, I guess. Now I've been cutting to the next day. I wanted to show you my case again because I didn't think I showed you my case, but it's just this yellow case from that brand. Oh, yeah, look, here it is, boys. The sticking is on the Nintendo Switch. Kaylee put it on. Shout out to the homie. And then here is the game. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to watch this back because this was such a moment for me. The whole point of getting a Nintendo Switch and a Nintendo Switch Lite was from this game because this game is so cute. And I watched so many gameplays. I played this on Pocket Camp. I played Pocket Camp, so this was a big moment for me, naturally, because, man, I'm just, honestly, I'm so grateful for what I have, and I'm sorry if it comes off as I'm, like, trying to flex on you. I'm not. I don't know why, but I vividly remember thinking, like, something else was gonna come in the case. Like, stickings and something, but, like, why would stickings come in it? I don't know. I'm so weird. I'm like, oh, it's just a game. Here I am powering it on. I do not think I do any gameplay in this video, but as I said, I do have a video of the gameplay that is done and I'm ready to go for my birthday. I'm actually having my birthday on the 2nd, and it's like, I know social distancing, so we're gonna social distance in my backyard. My dad is a big believer in social distancing. I want to social distance to be a better person and, you know, just get this done with, to be healthy and have a better mindset and look out on the situation. So, May 2nd, you know when we be, though. Sunny May is looking at me and she's so cute. You're so cute, Sunny May! Okay, I'm gonna download some, I think, the software to it. I don't know, guys. This is when the video ends. I'm really sorry. It's really weird. I will see you guys next week from a bullet journaling video. Guess what the theme is? I don't know. It might be Animal Crossing. It might be butterflies. I'm really mixed and confused, and Sunny thinks I'm yelling at him. I'm not. Goodbye.